Okie doke, everyone. We're going to learn how to make two different styles of a similar type bracelet. One is going to be with a circle link, and the other one has little heart links. The first thing you're going to want to do is get used to your materials. For this one, I am using aluminum. And the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to snip some wire about 3 inches. I would kind of get familiar with your materials and kind of get used to how much space you're going to need. You're going to place it in the middle. I would make a little mark right there to figure out where the middle is. Depending on how large you want this loop to be, you're going to put it up further on the little rosary pliers. I'd like mine to be pretty decently large. I'm going to loop one leg going one direction and one leg going the other. So it's like this. And that's where we're at with our first step. After we do that, you're going to want to switch pliers. You're going to want a pair of pliers that has a straight edge here so you can get a nice firm grip on the wire. And what we need to do is we need to put a couple right angles in there. I like my right angles aligned at the edge of my circle. So I'm going to put one there. Go to the other side. I'm going to put one there. And now you have the little man. And your next step is to add our little curly cues to the end. You'll go back to the rosary pliers and you're going to twist going around. Make sure to grab the whole bit there. And how much you twist is really kind of up to you. So if you have a lot of wire, you're going to end up with a larger twist or maybe a little bit more leg happening. What you want to do is you want to get pretty parallel on both sides. You want both sides are symmetrical. And you want to make sure all of your links pretty much look the same. Otherwise, you're going to end up with some variation. From here, I like to pinch mine in a little bit. It kind of has a little bit of a hump, and it kind of brings it together. Your last step with this to make this link is you're going to get a flat steel surface and your ball peen hammer, and you're going to hammer it. What this is going to do is it's going to work harden your metal. You can work with any of the metals. I'm working with aluminum right now. It's pretty lightweight, very malleable, easy to bend. If you want it to curl in a little bit more, you can. You want to be careful bending your wire after you've already work hardened it on this surface. It's going to become brittle and a lot easier to break.